Hey everyone, today I am back again with another true wireless Bluetooth earphone from ENACFIRE, one of my favorite brands in this market. I have previously reviewed all of these other true wireless earbuds that they have offered, and needless to say, I've done unboxing and reviews of all of those earbuds, so make sure to check out my channel if you guys are interested. So in this video, it's just going to be a quick unboxing and overview of this product. Of course, in the coming days, I will be uploading my full review after I had a chance to fully test this out. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already to see that when it comes out. So removing the shrink wrap off this thing, the key highlights of this new product is that new touch control. They even added volume functionality. Finally, thank you for listening, ENACFIRE. And they also, of course, pack in some of the latest technology, including CVC 8.0, Bluetooth 5.0, etc. Opening up the box, you're first greeted with the case as well as the earbuds themselves. Compared to its predecessors, this case design is completely different. This one is solely just for charging the earbuds and of course connecting and disconnecting Bluetooth. This model doesn't have an extra size battery to output charge unlike the Future Plus or the F1, though it does keep the same kind of hinge design as the F1 if you saw my review on that. But putting this aside, I'll get a little bit more into it a little bit later. Let's see what else it comes in the box. So accessory wise, we have the micro USB cable for charging up the case. Unfortunately, it's not USB Type-C. Not too sure why they wouldn't pack in the latest and greatest at this point, but it also is a pretty short cable, just FYI. Next up, we have the extra different sized ear tips, small and large. The medium ones are already on the earbuds themselves. And finally, the last stuff to come out are the paperwork. So you got the warranty card from ENACFIRE and the very detailed instruction manual coming in various different languages. If you'd like to read in more detail, feel free to pause the screen at any time, but of course I will be going over the full functions of this earphone in detail in my full review. Alright, so that is everything that comes out of the box for the G20s by ENACFIRE, so definitely subscribe to my channel if you aren't already to see my full review analysis, sound test, you name it, to see if these are worth your hard-earned money or worth an upgrade from a previous model.